1892, Texas. A young bride walked into Thompson's land office and placed her diamond wedding ring on the desk. The dealer laughed. "You're trading your marriage for 500 acres of swamp?" Elara smiled. "No, sir. I'm trading a rock for an ocean of oil." The town called it the death of a marriage. They didn't know it was the birth of an empire. Their wedding tent sat alone in the mud. No neighbors, no friends, just Jack and Elara Thompson staring at their worthless land. The town's jokes echoed across the swamp. Jack's mud hole, the fool's honeymoon, marriage dead in the swamp. But Jack and Elara saw what others missed. At sunset, the puddles shimmered with rainbow colors. Jack had worked oil fields in Pennsylvania. He knew the signs. Black gold was sleeping beneath their feet. They ate beans for dinner, used candles to save money. Every penny went to buying pipe and equipment. Winter came harsh. The equipment broke. They needed one more drill bit, $100. Their pockets were empty. Jack broke down. "I've failed you. Let's go home." Elara walked to their tent, came back with her family Bible, 200 years old. "My grandmother survived the Alamo with this. Now it'll help us survive too." She sold it that day, bought one last drill bit. February 14th, 1893, Valentine's Day. The drill hit 1,000 feet. The ground trembled. Then, boom! Black crude shot 50 feet into the air. It rained oil on their ragged clothes. Their tears mixed with the black gold. Jack grabbed Elara. "We're rich!" She smiled. "No, we're partners." 1 year later, they owned the largest oil field in Texas, built the town's first school, gave jobs to everyone who mocked them. Elara wore a new ring, bigger than the first, but she kept the land deed in their bedroom, saying, "Diamonds are pretty, but oil built this house." They proved the true wealth isn't what you wear on your finger, it's what you build together. Sometimes you have to trade what glitters for what matters. Follow the Hat Legends for more incredible love stories that built America.